Chaos Corner. You ever heard of it? Oh, it's crazy. Let me tell you, it's in the dark part of TTO. You've probably never been there. I didn't even know about it till a couple weeks ago. Yeah. I accidentally parked my rig right on it. Chaos Corner. It's right here. Let me tell you, you get up in the morning, they're there. You go to bed at night, they're there. They're everywhere. Kids. Kids. They laugh, they giggle, they hang out in groups of them, gangs of them. They're all over. And this is where they hang out. They know what they're doing. Let me just tell you, they're having fun. And they're not even asking permission. I know that because I asked one of them. They're not asking anybody. These kids, they think through things. They even question authority. What kind of kids do that? They get up in the morning, they go out, and it's like they're having fun to their heart's content. Rollerblading, roller skating, riding bikes. These are rule breakers, y'all. Rule breakers. I've even heard there's some homeschoolers in here. Someone told me that. I don't know what to do. I mean, I guess maybe slow down as you pass and look for kids and stuff, but obviously there's got to be another solution here. I thought we did away with recess. Gosh, what happened? They might even think on their own. Oh. Gosh, they could grow up to be leaders. Dang it. This is serious. Free-thinking kids, how did this happen? Some people are changed forever in this environment. All the freedom, creativity. So if you decide to park over there on Chaos Corner in the dark area of TTO, don't be calling me. I warned you. I warned you.